Okay, let us recall what we have learned about equivalent fraction before we go to page 207 in the pupil's book. We said that equivalent fractions are fractions that have different denominators and different numerators, but they have the same value. For example, 1 over 10 and 10 over 100. When we look at these two, they have different numerators and different denominators, but they have the same value. How do we know that? For example, if you go and draw and divide it into 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and you go shed one part of this 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I added 1. You go and shed only one part. I'm going to draw now 10 over 100. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this one is divided into 10 parts. This one, sorry, this is 100 parts. This is 10 parts. You go shade 10 out of 100. When we look at them, same value, different numerators and different denominators, but they have the same value. If you go and change this to a decimal, 1/10, 0.1. Change this one 10 hundredths, it will be 0.10. So when we know that this 1 over 10 is equal to 10 over 100, so it means that this decimal is equivalent or the same as this one. So here we can conclude that if 1 over 10 is equal to 10 over 100, so 2 over 10 will be equal to 20 over 100. 3 over 10 will be equal to 30 over 100. Let us move now to page 207 on pupil's book. Express these fractions as decimals. When we look at these fractions, they all have the denominator of 10 and 100. So this one will be just easy to convert the fraction to a decimal. So 4 over 10, or 4 tenths, will be 0.4. 30 over 100 will be 0.30. This is hundreds, two numbers after the decimal. 8 over 100 will be 0. Do we have tenths here? We don't have, so it's 0. What is the hundreds? 8. 0.08. 75 hundredths, 0.75. Look at this one now. The denominators are not 10 or 100 or 1000. 5, 5, 4, and 4. So we are going to look for equivalent fraction that is having a decimal of 10 or 100. So here already they gave us the denominator 10, so we know that 5 times 2 will be 10. So what we do here is we do the same times 2. So 1 times 2 will be 2. So 2 over 10, it will be 0.2. B, they already give us the denominator 10. So 5 times what is 10? 5 times 2. So we do the same here, times 2. 4 times 2, it will be 8 over 10. So when we go change it, 0.8. Okay, this one, 4. Of course, we don't have in the multiplication of 4 the number 10, okay, but we can get 100, and it's easy already. They told us what did they multiply with it. So 1 times 25 is 25. So we are going to do the same here. Is 4 times 25, it will be 100. So 25 hundredths, 0.25. This one, 3 times what give us 75? It will be also times 25. Okay, so 4 times 25, it will be 100. So this is 0.75 hundredths. Which of these fractions are equivalent to 0.3? Let us remember what we recalled. We just recall now the equivalent fraction. So we want 0.3, and we know that if it's 0.3, it's 3 over 10, right? So we look at the 3 over 10, we have it here. What did we say it's equivalent to 3 over 10? If we remember, it's 30 over 10. So these two are equivalent to 0.3.